There is analytical department, regulatory audit observation and style of responses. Placebo powder formulation used during related substance testing for finished products have not been tested for stability. However, formulation have assigned the expiration date based on the expiration date of the excipients used in the preparation and in 3 years whichever is earlier. So each and every point you just note down. How to respond such problem? Investigation done. Response. Risk assessment performed for the formulation. Procedure has been revised to include the stability data. Training imparted to concerned personnel involved in this activity. Observation 2. Deviation from the approved standards of calibration on critical instruments shall be investigated to determine if this could have had an effect on quality of the alternate intermediates or API tested since the last calibration. Little critical, listen carefully. How to respond such cases? Investigation done. Risk assessment performed for the calibration. Procedure has been revised to include the approved standard of calibration on critical instrument shall be investigated to determine training imparted to concerned personnel involved in this activity. So listen carefully. Third observation. TOC analyzer instrument used for the test water sample fail acceptance criteria for SD values and coefficient variation value. However, an assessment was not performed to evaluate if calibration failure and any impact on the sample tested on the instrument since the previous passing calibration. See, listen carefully. Response. How to respond? Investigation done. Risk assessment performed for the calibration. Procedure has been revised to include the approved standards of calibration on critical instrument shall be investigated to determine training imparted to concerned personnel involved in this activity. So these are the small observations, but you should mind this one. You should take care of how they are, that is putting the investigation and how to respond. Thank you very much. Like and subscribe.